National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central Ford County, northwestern Iroquois County, until 4 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cullum, or 10 miles northeast of Chatsworth, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clifton and Ashcombe around 3:35 p.m.